Hello everyone, I'm Priya Singh. This assignment is for the subject 21st Century Skill, which is done under the guidance of Dr. Priya Pillai ma'am. For the assignment, we had to use any digital tool to develop a teaching resource. So I have used Canva. In this, I have used all the tools of Canva to insert videos, images, text, etc. So let's start with my topic. My topic is nutrition in animals from the subject science. So now what is nutrition? Nutrition is defined as the process of taking food to carry out different functions of the body needed for the survival of living organisms. Okay, so there are few processes of nutrition. So the processes involved are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion. So just by looking at the image, you can see that ingestion is intake of food. When we take the food inside our body, this process is called as ingestion. Next process is digestion. In digestion, the food is break down into smaller particles and this can be absorbed by the body. Next process is absorption. The process of absorbing food in the form of nutrients into the bloodstream of the body. So here in the image you can see small villi are there and from there nutrients are absorbed into the blood vessels. Okay. The next process is assimilation, which is the fourth process of nutrition, which is defined as the process of nutrients being absorbed by each cell of the body in the form of energy. So, after absorption of nutrients by the blood vessels, these nutrients are carried to each and every cells of our body to provide us energy. And the last process of this nutrition is egestion, which is defined as the elimination of waste products from our body after the food has been digested. Thank you.